which can be charged in the dark, and it loses its charge by conduction when light falls on it. And number 2, the principle of Coulomb's law, which states that like charges repel while unlike charges attract. Now let's talk about the main parts of a photocopier. There is a transparent glass plate on which the original print copy is placed, and then it is covered by the plastic cover or copier lid. If we open the photocopier, then we can see a light source, 2 mirrors at an angle of 45 degrees. A lens which allows to focus a copy of the image in a specific place. It is also used to magnify or to reduce the size of the original image on copy. There is a cylindrical aluminium roller coated with layers of photoconducting material such as carbon sulfide or zinc sulfides. A box containing dry black ink in the form of powder is called tone box. 2 charging wires at high voltage. And there is a heater to fix the tone on white paper. Let's see how these parts perform to get an exact photocopy of an original print. To make a photocopy of the original print, open the copier lid. Place the master copy face down and close the copier lid. Now press the Start button. What happens inside the copier at this point is amazing. Let's see this. Charging wire at high voltage charge the conduction layer of roller. As a result, a positive charge is induced on the layer of the roller. Light from the moving source falls on the original print. The black print absorbs light and white portion of the paper reflects light. This reflected light falls on the mirrors placed at 45 degrees. The light, after turning through 90 degrees, falls on the rotating roller and neutralizes the induced charges on the layers. Now, only that portion of the layer remains charged, where the light rays do not fall. As a result, a charged photo of the paper is formed on the roller. Negatively charged, dry, black pigment called toner is then spread on the drum and pigment particles get adhered to the positive charges. A positively charged sheet of paper then passes over the surface of the roller, attracting the beads of toner away from it. The paper is then heated and pressed to fuse the image formed by the paper on its surface. An exact copy of the original print is obtained. To study the various steps involved in making a photocopy, click on the Interactive button.